eyes gaze upon the horizon with a sense of purpose.
Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to create viral motivational shorts and reels with millions of views using AI. So, we are going to dive deep into the world of dark theme motivational videos that have taken Instagram by storm. These videos have helped a page gain a staggering almost 1 million followers. The recipe for their success? Dark backgrounds, AI-generated voices, and captivating captions. But what's more, we will show you how to create similar content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. We will walk you through each step, crafting a script, finding the perfect B-roll footage, and editing your video to make it truly captivating. Plus, stay with us until the end for an exciting method to increase your earnings. Let us start by exploring the key elements that make these videos so engaging. Before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are in the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. To create compelling dark theme motivational videos, it is crucial to understand the key elements that make them stand out. These videos share common traits that draw viewers in. First, they use dark backgrounds to create a mysterious and cool ambience. Over this backdrop, an AI-generated voice narrates the content, adding a unique twist. Furthermore, captions are incorporated to ensure that viewers stay engaged and comprehend the message being conveyed. In essence, these videos incorporate a dark backdrop, AI voice narration, and captions to enhance the viewing experience. Now, let us roll up our sleeves and start with the script. We have access to powerful AI tools like ChatGPT. We will leverage this technology to generate 10 motivational quotes centered around the theme of lions. Lions are symbolic of courage, nobility, royalty, strength, stateliness, and valor, perfectly fitting the motivational theme. Of course, if you prefer, you can replace lion with other animals such as tiger or eagles. Once you have your quotes, you can create a compelling script. With the script ready, let us move on to crafting a compelling voiceover. Head over to 11 Labs, where you can create a unique voice for your video. Simply paste the chosen quote into the generator, but do not hesitate to tweak it to make it more personal and emotional. Add an extra sentence that make it feel like you are speaking directly to the audience. Choose a voice that matches the style. Once you are satisfied with your voiceover, click Generate to listen to the result. Now, let us set the mood with some motivational music. You can find various popular motivational tracks on platforms like TikTok. Alternatively, to avoid copyright concerns, you can explore royalty-free options on platforms such as Pixabay or the YouTube audio library. For example, on Pixabay, you can easily search for motivation to listen to music and choose the one that fits your video perfectly. If you like a piece of music, simply click on the download option. Next, let us focus on gathering captivating B-roll footage. Instagram is an excellent source for high-quality videos that align with your theme. Utilize the search feature to find videos related to your chosen animal, whether it is wolves, lions, or eagles. Instagram's community provides a wealth of visual content that fits your theme. Alternatively, explore websites like pixabay.com, pexels.com, and mixkit.co, which offer a wide range of free-to-use videos and images. If you are interested in crafting your own custom animals, AI image generators like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and many others can be immensely helpful. I have created numerous videos that provide tutorials on generating images using these platforms, so I encourage you to take a look at them. For instance, the image you see here was generated using Midjourney. It is worth noting that this image is static since it is just a picture. If you want to add motion to such images, you can achieve that with tools like Pixelabs or Runway ML, which are excellent for animating your creations. Also, since I have already covered these platforms in detail in my videos, I won't delve into them step by step in this discussion. However, as you can observe, the process can be quite laborious when you have to utilize an AI image generator and then animate it using either Pixelabs or Runway ML. If you prefer generating everything from scratch, then this method might be worth trying. However, if you are looking for a more straightforward approach and don't want to go through the hassle, you can simply visit the websites I recommended for downloading free videos. Either way, the end goal remains the same: to have your own video. Now that all the necessary elements are prepared, it is time to delve into the video editing process. Bring in your voiceover, B-roll footage, and music into the video editing software of your choice. Personally, I have been creating or using CapCut for my videos because it is a completely free option and it does a great job at video editing. As we are just beginning, I recommend starting with free video editing software. However, if you have the budget for more high-end options like Adobe or Final Cut, another premium software that could also be better since it can also yield fantastic results. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is ideal for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Take a thorough look at your footage and remove any segments that aren't essential to keep your video captivating. To maintain viewer interest, incorporate a diverse selection of B-roll footage. You can also experiment with effects like fog or transitions to enhance the visual appeal. For a seamless viewing experience, it is crucial to include captions in your video so that viewers can follow along even without sound. Many editing software options provide an auto captions feature, just like the one I am using at the moment. With this feature, all you need to do is click on auto caption and it will generate captions for your video. You can then customize these captions to create a visually appealing word-by-word display that syncs perfectly with your narration. Then, once you are satisfied with your edited videos, you can proceed to click on the export option and download your video to share it across all your social media platforms. This is a great starting point to garner views and potentially earn money. Here is an additional tip. Aim to post a video every day, or at least 2 to 3 times a week. This frequency increases your chances of being seen by a wider audience through the algorithm. Additionally, consider establishing your own brand with a distinctive logo and name. As your views grow, explore opportunities to introduce merchandise like t-shirts and hoodies for an extra source of income. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide for crafting motivational videos with a dark theme suitable for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Whether you are a novice or an experienced content creator, these tips will assist you in creating captivating and inspirational content. I am eager to hear your thoughts. Are you considering delving into creating motivational videos? Did you find the process of making motivational videos straightforward and user-friendly? I highly value your insights. So please, don't hesitate to share your comments below. Your unique ideas and personal experiences can be incredibly valuable to those contemplating a similar venture.
The lion's eyes gaze upon the horizon with a sense of purpose and determination. As you look toward your own future, let your vision be clear, your goals be grand, and your resolve as unshakable as the lion's watchful eyes. This is you!
Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.